Hey guys, today we're going to look at an easier way to create a Google header with a 3D Bitmoji from Snapchat, and we're going to do that using Canva. If you're an educator, you can get a free Canva account at canva.com. To get started though, you need to create your Bitmoji and save it on your phone and then upload it to your computer. So I'm going to go through those steps quickly with you, but please pause if you need to do this along the way. So you're going to create a Bitmoji on the Bitmoji app, then link it to your Snapchat. In Snapchat, from the outward facing camera, you're going to go to Explore and search Bitmoji. Pick the one you like. They look like this, they change them all the time, they put new ones in occasionally. Select the filter you want, and then you can resize it, zoom, or move the Bitmoji around as you desire. Record your Bitmoji by holding the center circle on your screen, and you're going to hold it down while the yellow goes all the way around it. Try to do this on a solid surface because it's going to make the next step easier. Once you've recorded it, download it to your phone, and then in order to upload it to your computer, I recommend using the Google Pics app because it'll automatically sync to your Google Pics in your Google Drive. So that's where we're starting today, in our Google Pics. I have my video of my 3D Bitmoji dancing, so I'm going to download her. Then I'm going to go to a free site called unscreen.com. And on Unscreen, I am going to upload a clip, the one I just did. Unscreen is going to remove the background from my clip, and then I can save it as a GIF. Now that it's done removing the background, I can download this as a GIF to my downloads folder on my computer. Now we want to go to Canva, canva.com. And on Canva, they conveniently have a Google Classroom header template already set up with the correct dimensions. So go ahead and create your header. You can add photos, text, videos. You can use one of the ones that they already have for you. So go ahead and take some time to do that. Pause me if you want to. So I made this one. Now we need to upload our GIF to our Canva. So you're going to click Upload Media, Device, and you're going to select the GIF that you made on Unscreen. All right, I already have one downloaded, so I'm just going to click on her and move her over and size her up again so that she fits nicely in my header. Once you're happy with her and your header, you're going to click Download, move it to GIF on the bottom, wait till everything downloads all the way. So if you get a blue box that says things are still downloading, give it a second. Click the download button and it'll download to your downloads folder on your computer. After it downloads, you can go to your Google Classroom homepage where you want to upload your header. You're going to click Upload Photo, and you're going to drag the GIF that we just downloaded, or click on it and find it in your downloads folder, to the gallery, and it'll upload it for you. Then you're going to size it. Make sure you get all the pieces you want in it. Make it nice and pretty, and click Select Class Theme. Once your class theme is updated, it'll look like this. Unfortunately, Google has a darkening filter over your header so that you can see all of this stuff. If you don't like that, click the question mark and click Report Issue or Request Feature and tell them to get rid of it. All right, so that is creating a Google header with a 3D Bitmoji using Canva, which is much easier than the previous way I showed you how to do it with like 4 other softwares. So I hope you enjoyed it. See you next time. Bye.